Hello viewers, hope everyone is well. Today's video is very special for Pantum printer user. Here you see duplicate unit jam. If this type of error occurs, it means that the paper is stuck somewhere in your printer. If the paper is stuck, when pulling out the paper, make sure to check if any part of the paper is torn. If it is torn, this type of message will appear even if the torn part is stuck. Now I will open the cover and remove the drum unit, and we will see carefully there is no paper. So I will open the back part and we will see carefully again. Here you see some paper are stuck, so we will turn out and carefully we will see it is torn or not, and we will insert the drum unit again and we will see it's warming, so it will solve this problem. It will okay. We will take a test paste. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.